The mystery behind sea turtle. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the beautiful world of phrases, and we'll be exploring the term sea turtle. It's a common phrase in English, but what does it truly mean? Let's find out. Sea turtles are magnificent creatures that inhabit our world's oceans. These are actual turtles, but they are different from the turtles that might live in a pond or river near you. Sea refers to the large body of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface. Turtle, a cold-blooded reptile, enclosed in a shell into which it can retract its head and legs. So, when we say sea turtle, we're literally referring to turtles that live in the sea. While the literal meaning of sea turtle is straightforward, the term has symbolic and cultural meanings in various cultures. In many cultures, sea turtles are seen as symbols of endurance and longevity because they can live for many decades and travel long distances. They also play a role in mythology and folklore. For example, some indigenous cultures view the sea turtle as a symbol of Mother Earth or as creatures holding the world in balance. In modern slang, especially in Asian contexts, sea turtle can also refer to individuals who study abroad and then return to their home country. They swim out to the vast sea of opportunities abroad, then come back to where they started, much like how sea turtles return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. Understanding a phrase also means knowing how to use it. Here are a few example sentences. 1. The sea turtle gracefully glided through the clear blue water. 2. Ancient mariners often considered seeing a sea turtle as a good omen during their voyages. 3. After studying in the US for 5 years, Jenna became a sea turtle when she returned to her home in China to start her own business. And there you have it. The term sea turtle not only refers to the amazing marine creatures that glide through our oceans but also holds deep cultural and symbolic meanings in various contexts. We hope this video sheds light on this beautiful phrase and enriches your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!